Hi everyone, Hannah here, medical esthetician with Cool Renewal Spa, and we're back for another Wisdom Wednesday. So we're picking up where we left off last week about lasers. So for today, we're going to be talking about the two lasers that we have here in office. So our edge laser is going to be our CO2 laser, and that is going to be for resurfacing. So we discussed last week, vaporizing tissue is something we can do by targeting the water molecule within the skin, and that's going to be what our CO2 laser does. So our CO2 laser is an ablative laser, which is meaning that we're targeting the top 5 layers of the skin, known as the epidermis, as well as the 2 layers underneath that, known as the dermis, at the same time. So we're creating an immediate injury to those top 5 layers of the skin, as well as heating up that dermis to give you a tightening effect, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, any deep pitting. So we're going to completely resurface the skin with the CO2 laser. And the CO2 laser is really the gold standard in the industry when it comes to resurfacing the skin. The good news with it is that usually if you're doing a deep setting, you only need 1 treatment, but there is downtime associated with it of about 2 weeks. Now we do have different settings on our lasers, so we can do something called the vanity peel, which is going to be the lowest setting, a light resurfacing, a medium resurfacing, and a deep resurfacing, really depending on how deep your wrinkles are. So this laser is going to be great for fixing any fine lines and wrinkles, acne scarring, deep pitting, texture, tone. Really, it can fix anything because we are completely resurfacing the top 5 layers of the skin, as well as tightening effect from heating up the dermis as well. Now we're going to be talking about our Nobleen laser. So the Nobleen laser has 2 different wavelengths, which means we're able to treat all skin types. So we can do hair removal on all skin types. We're also able to treat pigmented lesions, any vascularity. So again, this is cherryangiomas, veins, like for example on the side of the nose, port wine stains, all that good stuff. You can also treat acne with this laser by destroying the sebaceous glands. As far as session amounts, if we're treating laser hair, it's going to be 6 to 8 sessions done about 4 to 6 weeks apart. And then after that, you might still need to come in for touch-ups after that because hair is very hormonal. It can come back for a variety of reasons. As far as treating pigment or vascularity, usually about 1 to 3 sessions is good, but again, it's on a case-by-case basis. Everyone does respond differently and has different severity when it comes to that. As far as side effects and how you're going to look leaving here from the laser, you might have a little bit of redness in the area. If you're doing laser hair, you might look like you have a little bit of bug bites in the area. That's totally normal. But other than that, you're really going to leave here with no downtime. So to summarize, we have 2 lasers here, the edge and the Nobleen. The edge is going to vaporize tissue and do a complete resurfacing. It comes in 4 different depths, so come in for a free consultation if you're interested in that. And then the Nobleen is going to be for laser hair removal, pigmented lesions, vascular lesions, all that good stuff. So we can really treat a wide variety of concerns. If you have something that's been bothering you, we would love to see you for a free consultation. Happy Wednesday, everyone.